Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be mixing together all of my slimes and we are going to see what color it's going to end out as. So here we go. Now, one of these slimes is very goofy. I don't know which one it is and I can't remember as well. But I'm thinking it's the one in front on top of one another. And I found my little star character inside of the slime. And now we're just gonna mix them all together. Oh, I found my goopy one in the end. And I'm pretty sure that one has a puppy in it, a puppy unicorn for the surprise toy. And yeah, now we are going to add more to it. Just closing that one because there's goopy in it. Now we're gonna open up my pinkish purple one. I started mixing in that first slime into it, but then I changed my mind to stop mixing in and wait for the video. As you can see, I just held up the one that's a part of it. And there's my little cat toy that goes inside. I'm just putting it in there, making sure it mixes nice and well. Here we have a puppy corn, because it's a puppy unicorn. Get it? Puppy corn. Now we are going to add in my favorite colored one. I think it's the best out of all of them, but I'm not sure. It's very stringy, goopy, fun, like putty. And it gets off a lot of the glitter. This one we have a poo, that's blue. Poo found blue. Probably can't even see it from the way I was holding it, but you know. I'm just going to start mixing a little bit in. And now I'm going to put in my second favorite, the Glitz and Glow with another blue poo. I call it that because it's nice and it has a clunky texture. It's stretchy but not too stretchy. We're just going to mix it all in now and continue working with it. As you can see, we just got the lumps of each color so far. Alright, after I move all of these containers out of the way that the slimes used to be in, I'm going to start mixing with the storm. Yeah, I put stickers on all the containers of these slime. They say slime DIY 100 original. And now I'm just mixing it all together and it looks kind of fun, gooey, slimy, stringy. Well, right here it's stringy, but it won't be stringy at the end, and the end color is beautiful. I've seen what it was. Because I'm just doing an over voice. And I'm removing all the little teeter-tot toys that go in it. And I think you guys are going to love the rest of this video. I have 3 pink and 3 green. So technically I have 6 because I used to have 6 containers of the slime DIY ones. And I kind of removed them because I kind of removed one of the containers that says slime DIY because it makes the green one and the blue different glue together because the glue was too sticky. So I had to do it otherwise. Oh, my hair is getting all over the camera now. Oops. Alright. As you can see, it's becoming a full action-packed video of slime. Now, I'm not color do you think this is gonna be?
Dark grayish purple, like a braid.
Okay. I thought braids were pink.
Well, pinky purple.
Yeah, okay, that makes sense. But it's nice. And the little toys are gonna get in my way soon. They're getting in my way, technically. And it's harder for me to move my slime around in it. So I'll probably remove them in a couple of minutes, seconds. Oh, and here we're just like chilling. So I chose to do my video today rather than yesterday because Purple wouldn't let me. But you know, I feel. Comment down below what you think about my slime. We are still missing a pink star. It's gonna be at the opposite side that I pushed through. What color do you guys think it's gonna be? Comment down below. Comment if this was a nice video, and comment down below if you think the color is gonna be brown, purple, blue, green, any color you can imagine, including black, but black's not gonna really happen, I don't think. Or at least I don't think so. Alright, you guys, just moving and sticking those fingers and mixing it as fast as I can. Cameron's gonna tell me when he thinks I should stop mixing.
I think you should stop.
Okay, I should stop mixing. Yeah, it's perfect now. Now I'm just gonna like stab it in and out. Just removing a few of the clumps, as you can see. And this is like beautiful. Oh. Alright, you guys, I moved the canvas out of the way because I didn't want to get any more glitter on it than I already had. And I'm going to be doing a painting video as well today. And I'm going to have Kira and my sister helping me, and Cameron, if he wants to. We're going to be doing some fancy art, but from me, probably not as fancy. Cameron will be the filmer of that. And yeah, and we're also going to do a Rubik's Cube video. Yep.
So stay tuned for those.
Yeah. If you even watch this video. But if you don't, then you'll watch those other videos some other day. And right now, I'm just watching a Lego TV show. And I'm just seeing how far this slime will stretch. I did see how far it stretched. And I just put it back in the bowl because I wanted to make sure that it stretched properly. And I'm going to stop mixing in a couple of seconds because I was just stretching and strong. See how strong it stretches. Now, we're just finishing the mixing, making it look like a Pokemon. Cameron, what Pokemon is that again? Oh yeah, Ditto. Me and my forgetfulness. Okay, bye everybody. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share with your family.